Whiteboard idea to deployed microservice in 30 minutes. This is the AI workflow that achieved it. Forget the old development cycle. We aren't just using AI to write a function, we are compressing an 8-hour development journey into a focused, targeted sprint. The secret lies in role separation. GPT-4o becomes the architect and project manager, defining the blueprint, dependencies, and high-level logic. Copilot takes the role of the elite engineer. It doesn't guess, it executes. Handling boilerplate, syntax completion, and error triage at machine velocity. Phase 1, the napkin sketch. We start with the minimal viable concept, a diagram, a problem statement, and zero code. We prompt GPT-4o with this diagram and ask it to define the file structure, dependencies, and the core class definitions required for a scalable microservice. GPT outputs the project structure. This is the high-level architecture document, validated and executable. Phase 2, implementation. We transition from planning to execution. GPT defines the endpoints, Copilot writes the implementation details. We prompt for the ingestion endpoint. GPT defines the function signature and required inputs, and Copilot immediately fills in the body using best practices. The key here is the feedback loop. Instead of guessing implementation details, we are commanding the action, implement this endpoint using fast API and ensure robust error handling. Phase 3, the inevitable bug. All software has them. We don't panic, we report the failure back to GPT-4o. We paste the full stack trace into GPT and ask, fix this error, maintain functionality, and suggest the optimal path for production deployment. GPT doesn't just fix it, it analyzes the vulnerability and suggests a defensive coding pattern, robust schema validation using Pydantic. This shift, from a make it work to the make it robust, is the difference between a prototype and a production-ready MVP. Phase 4, deployment. We instruct GPT to containerize the microservice using Docker and generate a simple deployment script. The entire process, from napkin sketch to executable container image, is compressed into a single, highly orchestrated dialogue. The ultimate advantage isn't the AI, it's understanding how to assign roles and maintain critical feedback loops. You move from being a coder into becoming the chief architect of your own development lifecycle.